Morning, everyone. How you doing? I wanted to give you an update on our growing process with our Kratky method of hydroponics. As you can see, the Bushmaster cucumber is doing extremely well. Look at those leaves. Aren't they beautiful? Beautiful. Now, I've been spraying these with a mixture of neem oil and water to make sure that they don't get any, mold or anything like that. Let's check out the roots. Look at that. That is beautiful, okay? That's exactly what we want to see right there. Perfect. And you know what's great about doing this is you can look at the roots. You can check it out. You can say, oh my God, it's doing great, or wow, what happened here? Look at that. Look at those roots. Isn't that great? And I just planted these on the 17th of January. So that's pretty impressive. Let's check out our little tomato here. See that root? All happy. They reach for that water. That's the micro-dwarf tomato from bunny hop seeds. These are the spinach from the seed plant, and they've got a lovely root on them. As you can see, I've used whatever containers I could find to put these in. And if you remember in my last video, I showed you how to put the stockings on the bottom. Well, when it gets to the point where you've got too many containers, you just start doing whatever. So this has a paper bag and some duct tape, but you know what? It works. And you see here in the back, this lettuce is pretty sad because Max, our Siamese cat, decided to have a snack. Let's see how the roots are doing anyway. Oh yeah, they're doing good. They're doing good. So that should come back okay. But what a stinker, huh? And here's our Pippins Peppers from bunny hop seeds. Let's see what they got. Oh, nothing yet, but it's touching the water, so it'll do fine. There's some more. That's the tomatoes, the micro dwarf tomatoes. Spinach, check it out. Little baby roots coming out the bottom from the seed plant. This is also, this is a bib lettuce from the seed plant. Doing very well, got some roots. So as you can see, everything's doing really good. And I have an experiment going on here. This is some microgreens that I decided to just throw on there because this seed is from 2014. And I wasn't sure if they would actually grow or not, so I said, what the hey, let's just do it. And these are just random mesclun mix, the salad mix. And so far, a lot of them are sprouting, and as you can see, I've started them on a dish towel because I had a dish towel, and all the other stuff that they were saying to start it on cost some serious money, so I wasn't ready to just go all out and buy the stuff that they need, that they say that these need to grow on. And we'll see. We'll do a few more experiments, but see, a lot of it has not sprouted yet, but some of it is doing pretty good. So we'll see how that goes. And then I have another little project, and this is along the same lines because it's another microgreens experiment. And these are garbanzo beans. And these have been sitting, what I did was I soaked them overnight for one night, and then I rinsed them and wrapped them in this paper towel. As you can see, they're sprouting. pretty well. So I'm probably going to transfer these today to a situation where they can grow better. They look really good. I'm surprised. These were just a bag of garbanzo beans that I bought at a local discount market, and they're doing really well. So I'm going to put those in some containers and see if we can grow some microgreen garbanzo beans. Alrighty, so, well, that's the update for today. And as always, if you like the video, go ahead and click like. And if you'd like to see our videos as we go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And we'll have more as we go, so you guys take care and have a great day.